Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to unbox and build this Pilot 20cc laser. Let's get started. Looks like everything's packed pretty well. So far, no damage. Fantastic packaging. One thing I'm really excited about that I didn't know. Looks like we get a wing bag included. Nice. Spinner, wheel pants, fuel tank. Probably won't use that one. Engine mounts, won't use them. Electric setup, we'll go with gas. Carbon fiber landing gear. Patches. Look at that cow. Alright guys, so this is it. This is everything that comes in the kit. This is what you're gonna get when you order a Pilot RC 20cc laser. Start from the left here. Got your rudder, got your tail feathers, elevator. Surfaces are not epoxied in. Looks like they come with Robart style hinges. Two fantastic looking wings. Look at this hardware kit. Push rods, fuel dot, control horns, wing bolt, more bolts and screws, heat shrink tubing, pull rudder setups, Velcro, thumb screws, servo extensions, pretty neat. Main wheels, tail wheel, wheel pants, gas and electric setup, motor mounts, patch kit, gas mounts, carbon fiber gear, good looking cow, wing bag. You're even going to get some decals with this model. Look at this covering. Get right in here, see if you guys can see that. Not a wrinkle anywhere on it. not the fuselage, not the wings, not the tail feathers. This looks like it's going to be a good looking model. I'm going to take a second here and we're going to take a look at this. Look at this paint match from the cowl to the covering. That is spot on. It might be just a little bit lighter on the cowl in person, but it is very, very close. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of this Pilot 20cc laser. You guys don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any of the build series, and thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.